Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Wondfo activated clotting time reagent kit. Yeah, this is compatible with Wondfo optical coagulation analyzer. You can see this is the top view of the kit. You can see the brand name over here, Wondfo, and product name activated clotting time reagent kit. Yeah, over here you can see this is compatible with Wondfo optical coagulation analyzer. Yeah, here you can have the details of what are the content present inside the kit. It comes up with 24 test strips and one instruction for use manual, and this is the reference number W483, and the shelf life of the product is 18 months. Yeah, this is the C certified IVD product. Now I am just going to show you the side view of the pack. This is the side view. Here also you can find the brand name Wondfo, and you can see this is a C certified product. This product should be maintained in 2 to 30 degrees Celsius. Yeah, over here you can see the manufacturing details. Yeah, I'm just going to unbox this for your reference. I'm just going to unpack this for your reference. Yeah, at the top you can find the instruction for use manual for Wondfo activated clotting time reagent kit. It has the information of principle of the test and what is the procedure and precaution and storage details. You can see all the information over here. Okay, I'm just going to place this aside. After that you can see this 24 test strips. You can see the brand name Wondfo, and here you can see the manufacturing details. This is a C certified product. Over here you can find the temperature control 2 to 30 degrees Celsius. Yeah, this is sterilely packed. You can see the product name activated clotting time reagent kit, and the shelf life of the product is 18 months. Yeah, over here you can find the reference number W483. To summarize it, Wondfo activated clotting time reagent kit consists of one instruction for use manual and 24 number of test strips. These are the product present inside the reagent kit. Thank you.
First, power on and turn on the switch. Prompt: please insert the strip. Then take out the test card from the aluminum foil bag. Insert the test card and it will start preheating for 25 seconds. Use the pipette to add 20 microliter blood sample. Note: shake well before using. Add the sample according to the green indicator light. And now we can wait patiently for the displaying of the test result. At last, take out the used test card.